Hi everyone, welcome back to our maths classes. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 2.1. Okay, so what is given? What's first question is that the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. Okay, let us take all the months here. So for your rough work I am taking here January. This is January. Okay, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, now so what is a given condition here? See there, so collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So what are the months beginning with the letter J? January, June, July. Except these three, nothing, no month is repeating, right? So I'm going to write this. So I am going to erase this remaining thing. So right now I want to write only what are the months starting with J, right? J letter. First one is January. Next one February. January, June, and July. Yeah. So these are the 3 months beginning with the letter J. Yes or no? Yes. These are the 3 months beginning with the letter J. Therefore, it is well defined collection of months. Okay. Well defined collection of months. Hence, it is a set. Clear? Am I clear? So I am writing the entire answer. See here. So these 3 months are starting with letter J, letter J. So these are well defined. So these are well defined. So it is a set. So am I clear? This is your first answer. Okay. Now we move to the next question. What is the next question? So the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. What is the next question? The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. So the second solution is, so can we decide whether the person is talented or not? So we cannot decide, right? So we can't decide. Yes or no? We cannot decide the writer, RRIT, writer was talented or not. Writer was talented or not. Talented or not. So it is a bag, right? So we cannot decide. So it is not a set. So it is not well defined. So it is not a set. So it is not a set. Am I clear? So we cannot decide whether the writer is talented or not. Next one, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So this third thing, see the third one. So what is the condition given? Same condition like the previous question. The team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. We cannot decide whether the batsman is the best one or not. So we cannot decide the batsman of the world. Okay, we cannot say the best cricketer. Okay, we cannot decide the best cricketer. So who is best we don't know, right? So that's one, best cricketer or batsman, your wish. best batsman. So we cannot decide. So it is not well defined. It is not well defined. It is not well defined. So it is not a set. Am I clear? So moving to the next question. What is the next question given? The collection of all boys in your class. So what is the next question? Collection of all boys in your class. So see here, what is given? Collection of all boys in your class, in the sense a collection of all boys in my class. You have to give the answer. In my class is well defined. Yes, your particular number of the students or boys are present in your class. Okay, so now I am writing, that is my fourth answer. So here the collection of all boys, the collection of all boys in my class. So you have to write in my class. Okay, he is asking your class, right? In my class, the collection of all boys in my class. What do you say? In my class is well defined. So it is well defined, right? Is well defined. Is well defined. Is well defined. So it is a set. So the given collection is a set. You can give right like this. So the given collection is a set. So what is the next one? Last one, that is collection of 11 integers. Okay, collection of 11 integers. That is your fifth one and last one. Okay, that is your fifth one and last one. So the collection of all even integers, the collection of all even integers, the collection of all even integers, that is, you can write like this. What are the integers? What are the integers? Integers are 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Yes or no? Yes. So these all are collection of integers, means they are well defined, right? These are well defined. So these are well defined. So given set is given collection is a set. So given collection is a set. Am I clear, right? So these are the things for the first answer. Okay, this you have to remember these all things. Okay, exercise 2.1 first bit. Next. So see, once again I am explaining the collection of all the months in a year beginning with the letter J. So what are the months beginning with the letter J? You have to write January, June and July. These 3 months are starting with the letter J. So the given collection is a well defined. So it is a set. Okay. So next one, the collection of 10 most talented writers. So we can't decide whether the writer is talented or not. So it is not a set. So same second one also. The team of players, yes or no? The team of 11 players, it is also where we cannot decide whether the player is best or not. So the batsman is best batsman or not. So the given collection is not well defined. So it is not going to form a set. So you can write like this. Hence given collection is not a set. Okay. Hence given collection is not a set. You have to write like that also. Next one, the collection of all boys in your class. He mentioned in your class, right? So you mentioned that your class means it is your class. So you have to take your class. So it is well defined. So yes or no? Some particular number of boys are present in your class, right? So it is well defined. Next, collection of all integers. Yes or no? All integers. Integers are represented by Z, right? So we have the particular idea about integers. They are following some common property. So the given collection is a set. So thank you for watching.